end users for using this traditional and herbal medicine in this country and to all over the world. So with this, Professor Dr. Iqbal Chaudhry Saab has been the shining star of Pakistan, have been the great son of the soil. He has always been taking lead in science and technology and bringing some good thing to Pakistan. So with this conference, I would expect, and I'm hopeful that inshallah ta'ala, in order to create some environment here in Pakistan, get the knowledge, because people here, scientists are from all over the world, almost the region, and with this collective wisdom and knowledge, we would be able to move forward in a right direction. Because we don't have a time right now for the failure. Failure is not an option. We can't go on a trial and error basis kind of situation. We are already lagging behind. So we have to have something on the very first place in the direction, and which should be a right direction. We can't spend our few years and then we will come back and say, look, we have made this mistakes. Now we have to restart it again. That should not be that is not an option anymore. So we have to start it soon, but we have to start it right, which can cope with the world's development. So with this, I'm so glad, I'm so happy that when it comes to the treatment, when it comes to therapy, when it comes to medicine, we are this herbal and Chinese medicine and Unani medicine here in Pakistan, and we are taking it seriously. It was mentioned in the previous speeches. It is all about, when we talk about the food and nutrition. Today it's all about the lifestyle. There's a phenomenon called lifestyle medicine in all over the world, and here in Pakistan as well. And time has and research has proven that the human being has become rebellious, to the nature. Allah, who is the God, who has produced this human being as a product, we have gone and He has set some manual for this product to be used, of His product to be used. He has set the timing for sleep. He has set the timing to get up. He has set the timing and rules and norms, what to eat, what to not eat, what time to eat, and what is the time where you should not eat. But we as a human being have become rebellious to the divine, to the nature, to our God, in this manner. The time where Allah is asking to sleep, we get up at that time, The time where Allah is asking not to eat, we start eating at that time. So what's happening? You are confronting the nature. So this product of God has spoiled, actually, has got corrupted. We have to bring ourselves in close to the nature. Listen to the nature. Listen to the pioneer who have created this body. He knows very well that what this body and what are the timings are required, and that is what called is lifestyle medicine. When you go to there are PhDs are being done in lifestyle with all these professors, doctors who have been writing medicine. If you go to them now they give you the prescription, but they won't write the medicine on that. They will write down a 1 week prescription, that what time you have to get up, what you have to eat, what time you have to sleep, and what are your day and nights activities would be. So this is called lifestyle. So we have to club this whole thing together. and then we have to move forward to have a healthier life, to have to create this entire ecosystem of health, where people are not falling sick and government is not just making hospitals and bringing doctors and, you know, and waiting for the sick people. No, that's not the healthier environment, healthier country and healthier society. We have to make this the well-being should be considered. Well-being should be the prime objective of the society, doctors, scientists, as well as the government. So with these activities, I am quite hopeful and optimistic. Inshallah ta'ala, Pakistan will play its role and will play a very positive role. So congratulations, Dr. Sahab. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, and I'm glad that today Islamabad is open. So we did not feel didn't feel much hassle to reach here, but it was closed for वो बंद था. It was closed for very valid reason, and we are very proud. हम बहुत खुशकिस्मत हैं. मुझे कहा गया उर्दू में थोड़ी सी, हम बहुत खुशकिस्मत हैं एज अ कंट्री कि अल्लाह ताला ने हमसे जो है वो ये किरदार जो आज हमने अदा किया है दुनिया के लिए, दुनिया के अमन के लिए, ये रोल हमसे अल्लाह ताला ने अदा करवाया. हम इस पे जितना भी शुक्र अदा करें अल्लाह ताला का, हम उसका शुक्र अदा नहीं कर पाएंगे. आज पाकिस्तान बिल्कुल एक डिफरेंट, आज से 2 महीने पहले का पाकिस्तान और आज 2 महीने बाद का पाकिस्तान बिल्कुल एक बिल्कुल कोई कंपैरिजन ही नहीं है. और मैं मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगा वज़ीर आज़म पाकिस्तान को, मैं मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगा फील्ड मार्शल जनरल आसिम मुनीर साहब को, मैं मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगा फॉरेन मिनिस्टर साग डार साहब को कि अल्लाह ताला ने उनको एज एन इंडिविजुअल और हमारी कौम एज एन कलेक्टिव एज अ कौम, हमें आज जहाँ वर्ल्ड मैप पे जिस जगह लाकर अल्लाह ने खड़ा कर दिया है, ये बहुत फ़ख्र करने, शुक्र अदा करने का मौका है और बहुत आगे संभल के चलने का भी मौका है. पहले जब आपको दुनिया नहीं जानती थी तो आप कुछ भी होता था तो यू वुड नॉट नोटिस. अब सारी दुनिया के कैमरे दूरबीन लगाकर आपकी एक एक मूव को देखेंगे कि द वर्ल्ड has got an interest in you, who you are, what sort of nation are you are. You're the topic of the entire globe. You have managed to prevent the World War III, alhamdulillah. You have managed to, हमने billions of लोगों की जिंदगियों को तबाह होने से हमने जो है वो इस कौम ने बचाया है. तो अल्लाह ताला ने ये हमें जो है वो जिम्मेदारी जो दे दी है, that is not the bed of roses. That is not just to glorify ourselves, enjoy. Yes, it is for the moment, but it is a very responsibility. Very heavy responsibilities have come on our shoulders in every manner. The world is watching us. The world is looking towards us. So हमें अपने इस पाकिस्तान